Welcome to our Portable Washer Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency in small spaces. On one side, we have the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer, known for its robust features and larger capacity. On the other side, we have the portable washing machine, a compact and budget-friendly option perfect for small loads. Let's dive into the details and see how these two machines stack up against each other. When it comes to washing capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer boasts a capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, allowing you to wash larger loads at once. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller items such as underwear and baby clothes. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you have larger loads to wash regularly. In terms of design and portability, the BLACK+DECKER washer is larger and heavier, weighing in at 70.5 pounds, which may make it less convenient to move around. However, it does come with rollers and handles for easier mobility. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is lightweight at just 4.6 pounds and features a foldable design, making it incredibly easy to store and transport, perfect for those with limited space. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a variety of features including 6 wash cycles, a stainless steel tub, and additional safety features like auto-unbalance detection and child lock. This makes it a more versatile option for users who need a comprehensive washing experience. In contrast, the portable washing machine has basic functionality with a spin basket and a blue light feature, making it suitable for simple washing tasks but lacking the advanced options of its competitor. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable washing machine ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a larger capacity and more features, the BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. However, if portability and budget are your main concerns, the portable washing machine is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.